Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learners Assembly. Today in this video you're going to learn some sentence corrections. So let's begin. Don't say someone is knocking the door. Just say someone is knocking at the door. Don't say my office is in the first floor. Say my office is on the first floor. Don't say my birthday is on March. Say my birthday is in March. Don't say she like cheese. Say she likes cheese. Don't say it take 5 minutes. Say it takes 5 minutes. Don't say I am cutting my hair. Say I am having my hair cut. Don't say you can sit my next seat. Say you can sit next seat to me. Don't say she is very jealous from her friend. Say she is very jealous of her friend. And the last one, don't say everybody have problems. Say everybody has problems.